Welcome, automotive enthusiasts and design enthusiasts, to an exclusive first-hand look inside the very essence of what may be the definitive compact SUV of its generation, the 2026 Mazda CX-30. Mazda doesn't just make cars, they create unmatched expressions of motion, emotion, and elegance. And the CX-30, especially in its projected 2026 iteration, seems poised to capture hearts and minds in a way that few vehicles can. Join us as we explore every alluring curve, every thoughtful detail, and the undeniable appeal of Mazda's vision for the future. You'll see why this isn't just another SUV, it's a statement. Let's start where the CX-30 truly makes its first impression, its exterior design. Mazda's Kodo Soul of Motion. Design philosophy isn't just a marketing term, it's a deep commitment to giving every vehicle a sense of life, fluidity, and dynamic grace. And nowhere is this more evident than in the anticipated 2026 Mazda CX-30. Looking at the rear three-quarter view, captured in our first image, you're immediately struck by the vehicle's athletic stance. The rich, almost liquid-like soul red crystal metallic paint, a signature Mazda hue, amplifies every curve and reflection. This isn't just paint, it's a deep multi-layered finish that interacts with light in a truly mesmerizing way, making the car appear to be constantly in motion, even when stationary. Notice how the rear shoulders gently flare, hinting at a powerful, planted presence without resorting to overt aggression. The compact yet muscular proportions give it an agile, ready-to-pounce appearance, perfectly balancing the practicality of an SUV with the sleekness of a coupe. The taillights, slender and horizontally oriented, flow seamlessly into the bodywork, creating a wide and stable visual signature. Their internal graphics, likely featuring Mazda's distinctive circular elements, will undoubtedly provide a sophisticated and recognizable glow, particularly at night. Below, the dual exhaust outlets, neatly integrated into the lower bumper, underscore a subtle sportiness, suggesting that this CX-30 is capable of more than just looking good. It's ready to perform. The dark cladding around the wheel, arches and lower body panels, while functional in protecting against road debris, is thoughtfully executed. It doesn't detract from the elegance, but rather grounds the vehicle, adding a rugged yet refined contrast to the lustrous paint. Now, let's transition to the front, as seen in our second captivating image. This is where the CX-30's gaze truly captures your attention. The fascia is dominated by Mazda's signature large, chrome-framed grille. It's bold, yes, but not ostentatious. The intricate mesh pattern within the grille adds depth and texture, hinting at the precision engineering underneath. Flanking this commanding grille are the exquisitely crafted LED headlights. These aren't just illumination devices, they're artistic expressions. The narrow, horizontally stretched design, with their distinctive lower daytime running light signature, gives the CX-30 an intense focused stare, almost like the eyes of a predator. The subtle curvature of these lights, echoing the overall fluidity of the Kodo design, further enhances the vehicle's organic feel. The lower air intakes are tastefully integrated, contributing to the aerodynamic flow and cooling without creating unnecessary visual clutter. Every line, every crease, every surface on the front of the CX-30 seems to be in perfect harmony, channeling air efficiently and creating a sense of forward momentum. Moving to the side profile, as highlighted in our third image, the CX-30 truly reveals its masterfully sculpted form. This isn't a conventional boxy SUV, it's a sleek, flowing masterpiece. The design team has expertly manipulated light and shadow to create a sense of movement, even when the car is stationary. The character lines are minimalist yet impactful. Rather than relying on sharp, aggressive creases, Mazda employs subtle, undulating surfaces that reflect light in dynamic ways. This approach, known as less is more, creates a sophisticated simplicity that is both timeless and deeply appealing. Step inside the 2026 Mazda CX-30 and you're transported into an environment that truly redefines what a compact SUV interior can be. This isn't just a cabin, it's a meticulously crafted sanctuary, designed with the driver and passengers at its absolute core. The first thing that strikes you is the overwhelming sense of spaciousness and openness, despite the CX-30's compact footprint. The dashboard design is elegantly horizontal, creating a wide visual expanse that enhances the feeling of roominess. This clean, uncluttered layout isn't just aesthetically pleasing. While specific powertrain details for a 2026 model are speculative, we can confidently project Mazda's unwavering commitment to a truly engaging driving experience. Expect Mazda's innovative SkyActiv G engines, possibly with further refinements for enhanced efficiency and power delivery. The potential for the groundbreaking SkyActiv X compression ignition engine to be more widely adopted, or even new advancements in electrification, could also be on the horizon. Whatever the powertrain, it will undoubtedly be paired with a smooth and responsive automatic transmission, or, for those who appreciate it, potentially a highly engaging manual option in select markets. In essence, the 2026 Mazda CX-30, even without specific technical details, promises to be a vehicle that's not just beautiful to look at, but genuinely rewarding to drive. It's a testament to Mazda's unwavering dedication to the enthusiast, ensuring that every journey, no matter how short, is imbued with joy and connection. So, what does this all mean for the 2026 Mazda CX-30? It means Mazda is not just participating in the compact SUV market. They are leading it with a philosophy that transcends mere utility. They are proving that an everyday vehicle can be an exquisite piece of design, a joy to interact with, and a pleasure to drive. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey into the world of the 2026 Mazda CX-30. We hope this review has given you a comprehensive look at what makes this vehicle so special and why it's poised to be a significant contender in the compact SUV segment. What are your thoughts on the design? Does the interior resonate with your idea of automotive luxury? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and engaging in thoughtful discussions about the cars that move us.